The son of runaway Queensland Nickel director Clive Mensink has told a Brisbane court he has no idea where his fugitive father is. An arrest warrant is in place for Mr Mensink, who was a former director of the company, but has failed to explain his part in its demise. Meanwhile, Clive Palmer today again pledged to reopen the Townsville refinery, but not everyone is convinced.
Ryan Mensink was asked lots of questions, but provided few meaningful answers.
Is there anything you want to say at all?
Anything at all.
How well does the suit go?
In the federal court, investigators hoped he'd reveal the whereabouts of his runaway father, Clive Mensink, who is Clive Palmer's nephew and was the sole director of Queensland Nickel when it collapsed in 2016, leaving hundreds out of work. Mr Mensink has repeatedly failed to turn up to court and is reportedly hiding out in Bulgaria. But his son says he has no idea where his father is. He said they last communicated over WhatsApp in February, but he deleted their messages because he was worried he'd need to give evidence in court. Ryan Mensink told the court, "It's possible he could be in Bulgaria. It's possible he could be anywhere else. He's probably having way too much fun to come back." Ryan Mensink said he'd received money from his father, including thousands which was spent on a luxury watch collection.
Are you proud of your dad and the way he's handled this process?
Today, Clive Palmer announced he'd reopen the refinery, but needs access to the port of Townsville. The only sticking point, they're still owed money by Queensland Nickel.
Already, 560 families in Townsville have registered for employment at the refinery. It's important, and we're very keen to start those people in jobs as soon as we can.
I wouldn't believe a thing he had to say. I'm sure the people of Townsville won't believe anything he has to say.
We've heard the talk and we want to see the action. And look, employment, investment, confidence, we love it. But let's see it.
God bless Townsville and all the people in it. Yeah?
Mr Palmer says he'll move up to Townsville, and with the lure of jobs and a political comeback underway, he's hoping he can win over the city. Christian Silva, ABC News.